Okay, next morning, water's cleared off nicely, still a lot of blanket weed there. We're going to put the treatment in later today. Fish are looking pretty good. Lovely sunny day. You can see still lumps of blanket weed floating around. Cursed stuff. There. Waterfall's running. I'm just crossing on the temporary bridge. Probably take that down today. Look at that gunner. Gone berserkers. Don't know about this blue spruce, so I think I might have to cut him back. Lovely tree, but the trouble is it's the spines, the needles are such a pain in the filtration. The dragon. Yeah, water's clearing off lovely now. The viewing window from the other side. Oh, see, there's a bottom drain has got the lid up. That blanket weed's been such a nuisance that I've had to lift the drains because it's been blocking up. But hopefully it'll be gone pretty soon. I'll just show you the veggie bed here. I think I put it in the last video, but put a few floating plants in there to try and cut down the amount of light going in, try and reduce this blanket weed problem. Let me just show you through the window. We'll go down through here. Over the bridge. There's the sunken room. Let's walk around and go down. Lovely acer there, look at that. There's the bridge and the other way around the garden. Now we go through the stone arch. Look at that there. Fool's gold. Beautiful. Right, we come round and down we go. A few fossils and bits and pieces. Things I've collected from different quarries. There we go. A log burner. Right. Here's the pond window. I gave it a clean yesterday. Now that's looking nice. Beautiful. There's a couple of fish in there with a mark here and there, which I'm going to have to treat. Look at that sturgeon with that great big lump of blanket weed hanging off his back. Oh, there's the bottom drain. I must get in there and close that up. There's a clip down there that it clips into. Couldn't actually see in there very well last night because it was getting dark. So strange mark on the back of that one there. But in general, they're definitely starting to improve. Now the temperature's coming up. There you guys. Most of them have got names. The family likes to give them names. There's a small at Surrey somewhere in there that's jumped out the other day, jumped right up over the wall and actually landed down in the sunken room here. I thought he'd had it, but I put him in a bucket. He was banana shaped. There was a great big slug on his back actually, eating his slime. I thought there was no way he's going to survive, but left him in a bucket for half an hour and he was swimming normal, so decided the best course of action was to put him back in the pond. No, it's not that one. Put him back in the pond. He did sulk for a day or two, sat under the bridge, and I was on the point of taking him out and doing something with him. But on the third day he was right as rain. Back feeding, so I've decided to leave him. Certainly do catch the colours in this lovely sunlight. See this white one here, she's got a sore on her side, gonna have to be treated I think. She's obviously banged herself on something. Yeah, anyway, I shall stick that one up and see what you think. Cheers, bye now.